Did you know exotic and professional dancers love bedroom candy products? Especially their quality. We ship to any address in the USA. Visit Instagram TheSelfHelpLover, click the link in the bio and order today. Order discreetly from the Instagram bio link and use both IDs, BKID and Party ID at checkout. It will be shipped from the warehouse to your house. These two are the favorites to dancers, they love it. One is called HAUTE CAKES, a personal care enhancer and natural intimate elixir. HAUTE CAKES is pH balanced and great for application in intimate areas for soothing moisture and freshening, it even smells like cake. The other is called SEDUCE Erotic Notes Fragrance Oil, infused with pheromones for added sex appeal. Our roll on Erotic Notes perfume oil has a light and sensual fragrance that adapts to every wearer's unique body chemistry. Just apply to pulse points for a hint of something irresistible. Visit Instagram TheSelfHelpLover, click the link in the bio and order today. Are you an exotic or professional dancer living in the state of New Jersey or New York and need top-tier affordable health life insurance options? Bonus tip. Every dancer needs accident coverage, not only for themselves but if they have a child who plays sports or instrument. Text dancer to 212-204-2753. Again, text dancer to 212-204-2753.